Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can decorate your Masteries, collections, whatever it is, in Heartopia. So I have here 2 by 3 floorings on the floor, of course. On this part of the flooring, I have some low walls surrounding it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then for this, I have 2 half walls just surrounding everything. So here, 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 and here. And then I placed 1, 2, 3 floorings as shelves. Let's just make it daytime so you guys can see a little bit better. Oh, that's fine. Then you're going to want to craft the collector's display cabinet and make sure you have this. You get it from just collecting a lot of furniture, I believe. I'm just going to place it there. Should I place it here? Actually, I'll place it a little bit more forward. Then for this one, I'm just going to place it here. And then this one over here. The sun's a little bit like glaring on it, so it's a bit difficult to place. Anyways, we are going to get some wooden wall storage. Color it in similar colors like this, or you can use any color that you want, of course. Maybe I should change it into like a red color to like make it like velvet or something, or green. I know, I'll decide on that later. But in the meantime, we're going to place that here. And then for this one, you're going to place it towards this wall and towards this wall, like so. So you can still see kind of like the partition-ish. Okay. Then we are going to grab this, if I can just find it, the partition wall, and we're going to place it over here, like so, like that. And then here we are going to place some shells. I was gonna say shelves. I'm like, no, we're gonna place shells. Place the bigger ones because the smaller ones are kind of weird. So that's what I'm going to do, but you can do whatever you want, I guess. Place that there. And then I'm going to really like the Nautilus one, so maybe there. And then I'm going to place this here. I'm just going to move that. Actually, yeah, I'll just place it here. Don't know where I want it to, like... Okay, that looks fine. And then let's place the bubble turnip one. Don't know where I should be facing these shells, to be honest. Maybe like that. I don't know. I'll decide later. I'm gonna like decorate anyways. And then let's place the star one here. And then maybe the cone snail. This one looks pretty cool too. Move it back a little bit like that. And then we're going to place 2 more. So maybe this one over here. Whoops, that's too far. And then 1 more. This one maybe? Sure, why not? Okay, these ones are a little bit small, but I might change them out later. Okay, for this, you can basically place anything you want, maybe like your masteries or trophies. I'm just going to decorate a little bit. Oh, actually, let me do this side first. So, as you can see, there's like a lot of masteries I have on the shelves, so we can put that there on the wall, like so. I'm just putting random ones first, like that. And then I'm just going to decorate, and you can also place it behind if it's too crowded or you want to make it like a little bit bigger to fit all of it. And I'll be right back with the finished results. And this is the finished result. So pretty, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!